Maheshwari, your maths educator from Countryside International School. So let's start. Recapitulation. Students, recapitulation means till now whatever we have studied in chapter number 1, we will revise it once again. So let's start. Count the blocks and write the correct numbers. We have to count the blocks and we have to write in correct numbers. If you look at this picture, there are hundreds, tens and ones. So how many hundreds are there? There are 100, there are 9 tens and 5 ones. Look at the second one. Again 100, 8 tens and 9 ones. Skip in fives and write the numbers. In previous slides, I have taught you about the skip in twos, counts in twos. But here it is about skip in fives. That means how many fingers we have in our hand? There are 5. 5 plus 5, 10. So total how many fingers we have? 10 fingers. Okay. So 5 plus 5 becomes 10. 10 plus 5 becomes 15. 15 plus 5 becomes 20. Similarly, there is one question, 25, 30, 35 plus 5. 35 plus 5 becomes 40. 40 plus 5 becomes 45. 45 plus 5 becomes 50. And then 50 plus 5 becomes 55. See the next, it's a 3-digit number. 100, 105, 110. 110 plus 5 becomes 115, 120, 120 plus 5, 125, 125 plus 5 becomes 130. Now let's do in tens. Skip in tens and write the numbers. 10, 20, 30, 40. Like that we will be doing. Here there is a question of 20, 30 and 40. After 40, 50, after 50 it becomes 60, 70 and then it will be 80. In 3-digit also it can be done. It's 110, 120, 130, then 140, 150, 160 and the last will be 170. Write the place value of the underlined digit. There will be some numbers where I have underlined it and we have to tell the place value of the digit. So let's start. Here the number is 77. Both the number are same, but the place value is different. The number which I have underlined, it is in the place value of ones. So the answer is 7 ones. The next one is 143. I have underlined 1. It's the place value of 100. And the last one is 167. The place value which I have underlined is of tens. So 6 tens means 60. Write the expanded form of the following numbers. We will split the numbers. Like 125. So 100 plus 20 plus 5. 134. Again we will write it. 100 plus 30 plus 4. The last one is 149. So 100 plus 40 plus 9 becomes 149. Compare the given numbers. Put the correct sign. In the previous slide, I have already explained you about this comparing number. We will compare the number by their place value, right? If it is 3-digit number and if the numbers are same, then first we will compare with hundreds, then tens. If the tens number also is same, then we will go to the ones. So let's start with this. The first one is 144 and the another one is 158. In both the place, in 100 place, 1 is common. But in tens place, the one number is 4 and the other number is 5. So 5 is greater than 4. Similarly, the second one, it's 122 and 120. 120 is smaller than 122. And the last one, 200, and then another number is 199. So 200 is greater than 199. Write the given numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. We will start from the smaller number to the bigger one. So let's start. The first one is 152, 145, 162, 100 and 144. The smaller one is 100, then 144, then 145, then 152, and the last one will be 162. The next one is 112, 108, 119, 101, and the last one is 174. So the smaller number is 101, then 108. Greater than 108 is 112, then 119, and the last one will be 174. Similarly, we will be doing in descending order, but from increasing to decreasing will order. That is, from bigger to smaller we will do it. So here there are some numbers: 157, 198, 144, 132, and the last one is 176. So the bigger number is 198. Then smaller than that is 176. Smaller than 176 is 157. Smaller than 157 is 144. And the last one will be 132. The next question is 188, 145, 111, 164, and the last one is 107. So the bigger number is 188, then comes 164, then 145, then 111, and the last will be 107. Okay, and the last one was write whether the number is even or odd. Okay, that even number means the last digit should be at the ones place is 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, and in the odd it should be 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. If these numbers, if you find at ones place even numbers, okay, so we have to find from the even numbers. Like 34, the last number is 4, so it's an even number. Second one is 47, the last number is 7, it's an odd number. The third one is 12, the last number is 2, and it's an even number. Next is 66, so it is last number, again it is 6 at ones place, it's an even number. And 91, 1 is an odd number and it's at ones place, so again it's an odd number. So students, now we have almost completed the first chapter. So let us practice about this ordinal number. If you look at this, there are 6 pictures, right? One is butterfly, spider, beetle, fish, starfish and seahorse. If the butterfly is the first animal, then you have to answer these questions. The first one is, which animal is fourth? Second, what place is the starfish in? Third, what place is the spider in? Which animal is third? And the last is, which animal is last? If you remember the ordinal number, that is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8, 9 and the last one was 10th. Okay, you can give this answer in the comment section. Thank you. Bye for now, students. Promise you to be back with another topic. Bye. Thank you.